to pin my hand flat. So as if this is a board.
Okay.
And I'll show you how. Okay? So use here to support me. And you can hold, but the main thing is this support. So when I do this, can you see? And use this thumb to pin me down. So the power is here. So not enough here. Okay? Yeah. This is what you want. So now you realize that when I turn in and drop my elbow, this is stiff. So that stiffness is canceled by a stretch. Can you see that here?
Yeah.
So otherwise you always feel this. So that's the first thing here. Can you see? It's pure, but this move goes here without this stiffness. So hold it again. Further express. No, this one, hold, relax, relax, right here, a little bit here. Don't use power. The power is here. Push 90 degrees down without power. No, you're using power. Just remember it's going to go 90 degrees because I'm going to go like this. That's fine. Just here, pin me down there. Okay. Don't overdo it. Just stay there. You see that? That's it. That's all you need.
Okay.
Then this one here, use here to pick me up totally straight. Too strong here. Too strong. Only until you're sideways, right behind, underneath. That's it. So that dot, this dot.
Okay.
They must do. They feel that.
Yeah.
Do not move here. Do not move here. And when I rotate, you feel the relationship. You want that little bit. You feel that lock.
Yeah.
There's no power involved. We must produce that lock. Otherwise, you are fighting with me like this. So this is called BIE. B-I-E. You see that? Yeah. I'll give you relax and only do that lock in a static way. Like that. See, this is more, this is less. No, together. It's one thing. Okay. Here.
Over there.
And here. Hold like this. And maybe this way. Okay. You hold here and here. No, one hand here, one hand here. Okay. Now let's turn here. And if you don't move, you see, and I go like this, can you see you're moving?
Yeah.
Let's imagine there's no power involved. It's just these two sticks do not move 100%. And when I do this, can you see it's not humanly possible?
Right.
That's our training. You have to do it in a way that they don't move. So now we do it this way. Come over here. So you are here. Ed, go to the other side. Here. So because of that, there is no movement. So give me room for and go closer. Oh, too close. There. So here, and give me space here. Okay. When I'm here, so can you see you cannot even with this lock, you cannot stop it.
Right.
This is our problem with the push hands. So now when I do this, you have to fully support here. And you just support. So at this point, let's get another stick of BIA. So it's like this here. So now we need another person. So hold this hard and stand here. Okay. So this here, you will see how difficult. Let me explain this. There has to be a rod that goes to the floor. Otherwise, no matter what you do, because there's nothing here. This is only your strength. Yeah. See, this one's 100% because there's something.
Right.
This is suspended. It doesn't matter how strong you are. It's not going to work. Let's lay it down. That's good. Okay. See now, closer. Okay, that's good. Pull it. No, don't move. Christine, you pull this one because there is something that's stopping it. That's very useful. So now when we are here, much better. Can you put your hand here because there's no more power. You have to push it up. Okay. Yeah. That's just a holding. So the power is here, but you cannot move. Make it stationary. So that's what we want. So this is the power. So when we are here, nobody's moving, but you feel the power.
Right.
That's the Tai Chi power. So watch, go in a little bit more, or you push in a little bit. That's it. That gives me, because my forearm, you realize that how small our body is. Because when you overextend, you think it's right, but actually it's no. And see, watch. This is the power. You see how much power?
Yeah.
And now don't move, okay? Just put this one here. Just a little bit of that catches it 100%. You have to come in a little bit, okay? Because when you are like not that, when you are like this, it's actually longer. My forearm is not that long. So yeah, now we go slant a little bit, that's it. You see this here now? Feel that.
Yeah.
Still cannot hold it, right?
Right.
You see that here? So now stay there, don't move, okay? And we have powers. So take this off, and camera off. That's not right. We can do it here, otherwise you won't be able to see it. So you're tall, you can see everything. So what is Bia? See this here is on top, because my main move is this.
Right.
This one is below. My main power is here.
Right.
So now it's actually secure. So this one here, it's the main pushes down, but you are underneath to catch it. And this one, it's moving up, but you are also underneath to catch it. Can you see this here? Now I'm going to give it a little bit, okay? Can you see that here? So now I connect my elbow to my dantian. Can you feel that here? So this is the Bia. And it's all like this, okay? So when you are here, Bia is here, meaning this one's going up, there's something on top blocking it. So hold this now. But on this one here, it's going up. So this one, can you see it's underneath? This one is on top. Now you have another one here. This is on top, this is below, like that. And then the power we use is to make sure all four lock. The body is doing that all the time. So every time you see this here, it means it's all lost. There's no power.
Right.
It's very static. And at any given time, it doesn't matter how many of these we have on the body, there's only one loose one to do the fight. Everything else is only for enforcement of the stability. So you saw that, right? Now you hold it. So come over here, I'll show you. Okay. See this Bia, this is only one pair of Bia. Right. This is underneath, this is on top. Now you see this pair? Because our body has natural power. So I push this here and push this up. You have to lock here. When you lock, can you see that's power then? And see this one's moving, but aim here, so you lock that position. Yeah, like that. Now this is training. Otherwise, you were all just moving.
Right.
With this here, look at my, here.